In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Google Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, timely reminder that shows up right on your calendar and nudges you at the right moment. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials, while adding a few helpful tips so everything works smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the Google account where you want the reminder to live. Once Calendar loads, you'll see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month. Any view is fine for this process. Look to the top left corner and click the Create button. A small menu will appear with different types of entries. Choose Task. Tasks are perfect for reminders because they're lightweight, show up on your calendar, and prompt you to take action without the formality of a full event. A panel will open where you can enter the details. Start with a clear title. For example, Pay electricity bill makes it obvious what needs to happen at a glance. Next, pick the date when you want this reminder to appear. Setting the correct date is crucial so it lands exactly where you expect on your calendar. Adding a time is optional but highly recommended. When you include a specific time, you're more likely to notice the reminder and get a notification right when you need it. Choose a time that aligns with when you can actually complete the task. Maybe first thing in the morning or during a break when you know you'll be free. Once you've entered the title, date, and ideally a time, click Save. That's it. Your reminder will now appear on your calendar. If you're in a daily or weekly view, you'll see it in the time slot you chose. In a monthly view, it will show up on the correct day, often with a small checkbox icon indicating it's a task. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or checking that you're viewing the correct calendar and date. Keep an eye on your notification settings as well, so you receive alerts on your computer or phone. A clear title, a precise date, and a realistic time are the key ingredients that make your reminder effective rather than easy to ignore. And that's the process. Open Google Calendar, click Create, select Task, add your title, date, and time, and save. You've just created a reliable reminder that keeps you on track.